Hey guys, today we got a cab height fiberglass top by Jeraco. Fits the 14 to 18 Chevy 1500 with a 5.8 bed. This is in decent shape. It has been modified by the previous customer, but it's not horribly bad. It does have some scratches. You can kind of see some paint damage right there. Some right there. Right there. Ladder rack has been added on after the fact. It's sealed up with, I don't really know what that is, and then painted black. Probably looks like maybe it's undercoating black, but that was added on there. You can see that on both sides there. And then the same thing up here. There. A little bit of rust stains from the rack running down there. A couple of marks right there. Really not too bad. Little scratches here from probably loading stuff on it. Bottom edge on this one looks pretty decent. A little bit of a stone chip right there. I figured that would wipe off. A couple chips there on the bottom. Scratches right there. A couple chips there. Really not too awful bad. It does have the half side sliders inside. The front has a picture window in it. A couple chips up here in the front where maybe it's from hauling stuff, putting stuff on there. Not really sure. Couple chips right there. A little paint damage right there. Really, I mean, it's not too awful bad. It's got this is the front of the truck, so it's not gonna see any of that. A little bit of rust stain here from the rack. You can see it again, a little bleeding of the rust there. Again, the rack was bolted on and sealed by the previous customer. A little bit of scratches right here on the side. A couple small chips right there. A couple small chips right there. Biggest thing on this side is going to be this paint chip here on the corner. That's really about it. Little bird debris on the top there. Bird got us since we washed it. Does have the sliding side window on this side as well. Double T-handle locking rear door. The inside is carpeted. You can see that. It does have screens on the side. It does have a little bit of a tear in the screen there. A couple small spots in the screen, but really not horribly bad, but a couple small spots, but for the most part the screen's all in good shape. Sliding window on the side here. This has a clothes hanger that was added in by the previous customer. You can kind of see how they bolted this plate in to hold the rack. Probably pretty strong. On this side, it's a sliding window on this side. This one has a little bit bigger tear in the screen. It looks like the only one on this side over here. Oh, wait. Oh, there it is. Oh, got a hole right there as well. Well, that's the inside. Oh, this one, there's the, well, this time they painted the plate black. See, painted the back two, you can see. The front two are just bare metal. So anyway, there's the cab high fiberglass top. Fits the 14 to 18 Chevy truck, Chevy GMC truck with the 5.5 foot bed, the 1500 series with the 5.5 foot bed, black in color with the ladder rack. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can check that link, click that link, see what location it is, purchase it there, find out how much it is, make arrangements to pick it up. That'll all be done there. There's also a link on to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, those can be purchased there as well. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick them up at one of our locations.